Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Wais Alkarni Marasabesi with my number ID 642400276 from class 642A01. I would like to present lesson number 3 entitled Facing Chinese Entrepreneurs Who Protest About US Import Tariffs. Subject 1, Constructive Dialogue on Tariff Policy and Pathways for Cooperation. I hope this message finds you well. On behalf of the U.S. Department of Commerce, I would like to thank you for raising your concerns regarding the current tariff actions imposed on certain imported goods. We understand that these policies have created challenges for many stakeholders, including members of the Chinese business community, and we appreciate your willingness to engage in dialogue. Let me assure you that the United States remains committed to fair, rules-based international trade. The recent tariff adjustments were not intended as punitive measures against any particular country or business sector, but rather as necessary steps to address long-standing structural imbalances, including issues related to market access, intellectual property protection, and reciprocal treatment. Nevertheless, we fully recognize the importance of fostering a stable and mutually beneficial trade relationship with China. Our goal is not to isolate but to promote meaningful reform and create a level playing field that benefits both parties in the long run. In this spirit, we would like to propose the following avenues for cooperation. And number one, bilateral working groups. Establish industry-specific working groups to identify and resolve key friction points with participation from the public and private sectors. Number two, tariff mitigation mechanism. Explore targeted expansions or tariff adjustments for companies that demonstrate adherence to fair trade practices and transparent supply chains. Number three, joint innovation partnerships and promote joint ventures and R&D cooperation in sector of mutual interest such as green technology, healthcare, and digital infrastructure. And the last, number four, capacity building and regulatory dialogue. Enhance understanding through regular exchange on regulatory practices, standards, and trade facilitation measures. Subject number two, tariff policy explanation and proposal for constructive cooperation. Thank you for continued engagement and for expressing your concerns regarding the recent tariff measures implemented by the United States. We fully understand that these developments have created difficulties for money business, and we sincerely appreciate your openness in raising these issues. Please allow me to emphasize emphasize that the tariffs are not intended as a hostile act, but rather as part of a broader effort to address long-standing trade imbalances and promote fair, transparent, and reciprocal trade practice. These measures are aimed at ensuring the resolution of systemic issues such as unequal market access, forced technology transfers, and the protection of intellectual property. We firmly believe that a strong and fair trade relationship between our countries is not only possible but essential for regional and global economic stability. In this spirit, we, we propose the following avenues for cooperation. And number one, mutual dialogue and transparency. Establish regular communication channels to enhance mutual understanding and prevent misinterpretation of policy decisions. Number two, target tariff expansion. Explore mechanisms for tariff relief for waivers for companies that meet fair trade and compliance standards. And number three, joint task forces. Create bilateral task forces focus on resolving specific trade barriers and fostering sector-based collaboration. Number four, investment and innovation partnership. Encourage cooperative projects in key strategic areas such as clean energy, digital economy, and advanced manufacturing. And last, number five, trade regulation programs work together to simplify customs procedures, reduce non-tariff barriers, and enhance supply chain transparency. Uh, we are confident that by focusing on constructive engagement and shared interests, we can find balanced solutions that support sustainable economic growth and benefit both sides. We welcome to the opportunity to continue these discussions and look forward to building a more cooperative trade environment. Thank you.